Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Deathrun server for GMod. First off, you'll need a GMod server. There's a tutorial video in the description showing you how to do this. Make your way over to the Deathrun GitHub, and then press on code, and then press the copy to clipboard button over here, and then go to your server panel. Make your way to the file manager, go to GMod, and then Game Modes. Then press the three dots in the top right, and click Git Clone, and then paste the URL in over here, and set the branch to master, and then press submit. Then press the X, and now you'll have the Deathrun folder in your game modes. On the left, scroll down and go to configuration, then go to startup parameters. Change the game mode to Deathrun. And now when you load in, the game mode will be set to Deathrun. However, the most important thing with Deathrun is the maps. Therefore, I found a collection with a bunch of Deathrun maps. You can also create your own. I'm just going to use this one. What you want to do is you want to copy this URL bar over here, and then go back here, and then set the workshop ID to this. And then go to this website, where the link will be in the description, and paste in the collection ID, and then press generate code. Copy the code, and go back to the file manager. Go to GMod, and then go to Lua. Then autorun, server, and workshop.lua. And then you can paste the code over here, and then all the maps will automatically download, and then press save file. Now let's choose one of these maps to start with. I'm just going to use Deathrun Atomic Warfare, and then go to startup parameters. And then under map, we can set it there. And now Deathrun should be functioning. That's how to create a Deathrun server for GMod. Thank you for watching.